Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Goda For Her Perfume. Goda For Her Perfume is often advertised as a stylish and modern fragrance that combines elegance with affordability. The brand promotes it as a scent designed for women who want a long-lasting perfume without paying the high prices of design labels. Many ads shows it as a premium option, which makes buyers curious to try it. When it comes to customer experience, the reviews are quite mixed. Some people say that the perfume smells really nice, has a good balance of floral and sweet notes, and stays noticeable for hours. The packaging is also often praised as it looks sleek and high quality for the price. On the other hand, there are also complaints. A number of buyers report that their orders took a very long time to arrive, while others say they received broken bottles or that fragrance did not last as promised. A few even felt that the perfume smelled very different from what was advertised. Because of these differences, many people question whether Goda For Her is a real quality perfume or it's just clever marketing. It doesn't seem to be a complete scam since genuine products do get delivered, but the inconsistency in service and quality makes it risky. Overall, if you're planning to buy Goda For Her perfume, it's best to be careful. Check for verified customer reviews, ordering from reliable platforms, and avoiding unknown websites can save you from disappointment. The perfume might work well for some, but the mixed feedback means it may not meet everyone's expectation. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.